Alright, box number 3 from our VIP edition Double Masters. Steve here from Metal Galaxy. Still listening to Third Chamber, harvesting our Decay. Great death metal out of Calgary and Edmonton, Alberta. Alright, let's see what we got in this one. Okay. Whoa, the beloved worm token. Gotta like that. Ooze and a worm. Copy and a thopter. Alright, let's see how this goes here. Angel of the Dawn. Magnifying glass. Salivating gremlins. Always love the art on gremlins. Relic Runner. Sylvan Might. Anchor Wellspring. Cast Down. Peace Strider. Iron League Steed. Alright, into our uncommons. Culling Deus. Oriok Salvagers. That. Riddle Smith. Welding Jar. Woodland Champion. And an unlicensed disintegration. Pentad Prism. Oh yeah. Foil Ash Barons. Always nice. And our first foil rare, Grim Lavamancer. Oh, foil Mana Echoes. No complaints. Oh, there's that Fatal Push. Full Art Extended. And Mox Opal. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. What do we get for our 2 foil lands? Mountain and a Forest. Awesome.